Hello guys, I am back again with my another video about what is Bug Lab and its possibilities to replace a skilled programmer in future. This is our today's agenda. First, we will discuss about the introduction, understanding the code with Bug Lab. Does Bug Lab works on real life code? Future applications of Microsoft Bug Lab, and lastly we will come to our conclusion part, that is the exponential evolution of self-teaching AI. Introduction. Microsoft has developed an AI that can find and fix bugs in the code. Here is how it works. Writing code is only the first step in creating something. Combining through a code for bugs and fixing them is a time consuming and often takes longer than anticipated, but is an essential step if only there was a way to automatically fix bugs and goes beyond syntax errors and truly understands the intention behind your code. Recently, Microsoft developed an AI capable of detecting and fixing bugs in code using deep learning. But how did this piece of revolutionary tech come to exist and how does it work? What is Bug Lab? Bug Lab is an artificial Python implementation that hunts for and fixes bugs within code. It was developed by Miltos Almanis and Mark Brock Schmidt, two researchers at Microsoft Research. They managed to overcome the lack of labeled data often used in machine learning by resorting to self-supervised learning and allowing Bug Lab to train itself through a hide-and-seek game. With line of code, Bug Lab was trained using two computing models, one that hides bugs and corrects snippets of code, and another that seeks and corrects the bugs. Both models continuously learning from each other. Over time, the bug selector becomes better at hiding bugs in the codes, and the detector becomes better at catching and fixing them. Understanding the code with Bug Lab. The majority of bugs that Bug Lab AI is trained to detect and fix don't result in logical errors but are only wrong as a result of the context of the code. Understanding the developer's intent is essential to finding these bugs. Treating snippets of code the same way as processing natural languages yields suboptimal results. It's still difficult for AI to understand the relationship between different statements when they are split into individual tokens. Instead, Bug Lab looks at the code as a whole, the way each syntax, expression, symbol, and identifier are represented as points in a graph, allowing the AI to understand the connection and relationship between the various nodes. Neural network architectures are then used to train the debugging AI. They are able to pull in insights from the rich structure of the code graph and provide reasons for each node's relationship with the others. So here is a question arises. Does Bug Lab work on real life code? It is important to note that Bug Lab isn't replacement for a skilled programmer. That's because complex bugs still aren't within reach. Microsoft's aim with the AI is to detect and fix commonly occurring bugs such as incorrect Boolean operators like the use of or instead of and vice versa, in addition to inverted value comparison and variable misuse. According to Microsoft, the results are promising as Bug Lab is able to detect and automatically fix around 26% of bugs in a piece of code. Still, a significant percentage of accuracy is still lost due to false positives and missed bugs. Future application of Microsoft Bug Lab. Microsoft's goal with Bug Lab is saving software developers time, often spent going over the code looking for the smallest of bugs. While the AI debug model is still in a work in progress, it has a chance of finding and fixing bugs that ranges anywhere from inconvenient to catastrophic. But in a few years, you can expect Bug Lab to become a must in every developer's toolkit, even if it's not perfect. With this, we come to our conclusion: the exponential evolution of self-teaching AI. The more time AI models like BugLab have to train on real-life examples, the better and more accurate results they will yield. But it is not going to replace the skilled programmers in future. One of the most challenging hurdles Microsoft researchers faced while developing BugLab was employing a human understanding of code and intention into the tool. But now that's mostly solved, and you can expect BugLab to get better with next time. Thank you. If you find this video helpful and informative, then like and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get new videos updates.